Look at this beautiful soup. Today my recipe is dry pea soup with salted meat, smoked sausage and crispy bread country style. Meat stay 24 hours in brine. Now I rinse and I dry. Look at this, the texture and the color is different. It's dry, now cut big pieces. Will be better for my soup. You see the color? Different, the texture also. So nice. Olive oil. The onion inside. Stir fry a little bit with the carrots and the garlic. Now I put my pea inside. Now I stir fry all my vegetables together, in 5 minutes. Some black pepper. Now we put the water, the bay leaves, my pork. My smoked sausage, and now cooking during 30 minutes. Now my sausage are cooked. I will remove and I will put back when my pork and my pea are cooked. I cut the sausage, small pieces. And I put back to the soup because it's almost ready for 10 minutes and it's done. Look at this beautiful soup. Now I do the crispy bread, the crouton, put olive oil or butter, whatever you like. Put the bread. Some spring onion and the bread.